This is related to the public project um, you just talked about. So we're finding that really the data science education in particular has a great need for this type of synthetic data because it's kind of like a major blocker. A lot of students don't have access to um, the similar quality data as controlled data sets. Um, as you may know, we had three cohorts of Biodata Catalyst Fellows. In the first cohort, Dr. Stephanie Gogarten from University of Washington actually developed a project that she never fully published, which uses common workflow language apps, which you can run on Biodata Catalyst powered by 7 Bridges, to do some really complex math to simulate um, uh, genotypes that have a certain effect. So you can use the 1,000 genomes as a basis, but then pick which genotypes you want to fit to certain outcomes. It's really complex stuff. She's working on the project again, so we're going to wrap this into what you just talked about, which is the public project, which will show you how to connect picture to Biodata Catalyst powered by 7 Bridges. Next slide.
Great. So I can, provide a little bit more insight into what Biodata Catalyst powered by Picture is in case you're unfamiliar. So Picture is a tool that's available on BDC that allows you to search data and build cohorts. So you typically, when you get access to a study or access to a data set, you get access to the files. And this can be difficult to learn how to parse or understand how all of these files fit together. So Picture does this for you and gives you this nice search interface with a search bar where you can search for any phenotypes or studies of interest and focus on the data discovery piece of it instead of the data file management. Next slide. So there are two main ways or two points that you can access Picture. One is our publicly available tool called Open Picture. This means that you don't have to have access, you don't have to have an account. You can go to Open Picture and you can explore all of the data that's available in BDC and conduct feasibility studies. So if you have a research idea or are interested to see what sort of data is available on BDC, you can go here, search for variables, apply filters, and get a sense of the number of participants or the sample count that have your criteria of interest. The second point is called authorized picture. So this requires a login and it allows you to access or search on data you're authorized to access. So after you submit a data access request, or you can simply access the tutorial or publicly available data sets. You don't need an active access request or anything like that for these. But essentially, you'll go here, you'll build your cohort or filter down to the participants you would like, and then you can export to an analysis workspace such as Biodata Catalyst powered by 7 Bridges. So just a quick overview of the 2 points or access points of Picture for you.